What's up, guys? Dr. Ron here from Sculpt2U. Today I wanted to show you the bird dog single arm row. It's a great exercise for working core stability, shoulder stability, hip stability, and also a great way to start to train our fascial chains, which I'm referring to the posterior oblique sling, connecting that hip to the opposite lat. So he's going to get into the quadruped position. Keeping the belly button still. Okay, you shouldn't have any swaying from side to side. And as he kicks out the left hip, we're going to statically leave that out there and go ahead and engage and then pack down that shoulder blade and go ahead and perform a row with a nice end range hold. Okay, think about squeezing the left glute with a right lat and slowly return back down. And again, there should be minimal sway side to side.